LinkFinder AI offers a powerful lead enrichment solution that outperforms competitors like Apollo.io. This demo highlights how you can efficiently find and enrich B2B leads using company domains and LinkedIn profiles. To get started, go to the first link in the description of this video, which will redirect you to the LinkFinder AI website, a lead enrichment tool better than Apollo.io. You will be redirected to the LinkFinder AI website, which provides a lead enrichment and API solution that is better and cheaper than Apollo.io. Here you can create your free account by clicking on Start Free Trial. Once you've created your free account, you'll be redirected to the app page where you can select the data type for enrichment. Select the data type such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL for your lead enrichment. Next, click to select the output type, for example, Company Employees List. Fill in the output type as Company Employees List to define the kind of data you want to retrieve. Click to choose the seniority level such as founder, owner, C-suite, director, or partner for targeted lead enrichment. Fill the seniority level filter to focus on specific roles like C-suite within the company. Click the input field to specify the number of employees you want to retrieve from the search. Enter 100 as the maximum number of employees to find with this search. Click the field to enter the company domain for which you want to find leads. Fill in the company domain, for example, Tesla.com, to retrieve relevant employee data. Click Enrich Data to start retrieving employee information based on the company domain and filters set. The system found 23 employees at Tesla.com matching your criteria. Click on an employee, such as Fiona Chen, Director of Human Resources at Tesla, to see detailed information. Click the company domain input field to start a new search or modify your query. Click to select the data type again for a different enrichment task. Fill in the data type selection to specify the kind of data you want to enrich. Click to select output type options such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill in the output type to focus on LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Click the field to enter a LinkedIn profile URL for lead enrichment. Fill in a LinkedIn profile URL, for example, linkedin.com/in/John-Doe to find contact information. Click Enrich Data to retrieve profile information from the LinkedIn URL provided. Profile data found including email address, sarah.johnson@salesforce.com linked to the LinkedIn profile. Click to select output type options such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address for further enrichment. Fill in the output type to specify the data you want to retrieve next. Click Enrich Data to continue retrieving additional lead information. Profile data found including phone number +13175002454 linked to the LinkedIn profile. Click to select output type options again for further data enrichment. Fill in the output type to continue specifying the data to retrieve. Click Enrich Data to fetch more detailed lead information. Click on Sarah M. Johnson, Senior Technical Architect at Salesforce, to view full profile details. Click History to review past lead enrichment activities and data retrievals. Click API Access to explore integration options for automated lead enrichment. Click View API Docs to access detailed documentation for using LinkFinder AI's API. Click B2B Data Lookup to learn about the API endpoint for business data retrieval. Click the option to find a person's professional email address from their LinkedIn profile URL. Click to view the curl command example for the LinkedIn API call. Click LinkedIn Profile to Email to specify the API type for email extraction. Click to extract full profile data from a LinkedIn profile URL using the API. Click to view the curl command example for LinkedIn Profile to LinkedIn Info API call. Switch back to the LinkFinder AI API documentation page to continue exploring API features. Click Extract Full Profile Data from a LinkedIn Profile URL to use this API feature. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to Phone Sync to find a person's phone number from their LinkedIn Profile URL using 1 credit. Click to view the curl command example for the LinkedIn Profile to Phone API call.